Welcome back. I'm glad you're here because today we're starting a journey that could transform your financial future. I'm Vivek, and today we're diving deep into what truly sets successful investors apart. Long-term investing. It's not about quick wins or following the latest trends. Instead, it's about building a solid foundation and having the patience to let your money work for you over time. Forget chasing meme stocks or trying to time the market perfectly. The real magic happens when you allow your investments to grow and compound over years, even decades. This is how real wealth is built, quietly and steadily. In this video, I'll break down my top 5 stocks for long-term growth through 2026 and beyond. Companies with proven staying power, resilience, and the potential to thrive no matter what the market throws at them. Let's jump in and start building your path to lasting wealth. First up, Apple Inc., a company that has become synonymous with cutting-edge technology and sleek design. Apple is much more than just a phone company. It's a global powerhouse that has redefined how we interact with technology in our daily lives. Their tightly integrated ecosystem, spanning the iPhone, AirPods, Mac, and Apple Watch, creates a seamless experience that keeps customers coming back for more. Once you're in, it's hard to leave. And that loyalty drives repeat sales year after year. Apple's relentless focus on innovation is evident in everything they do. From their revolutionary M-series chips that power their computers, to their rapidly growing services like iCloud, Apple Music, and Apple TV Plus. These services generate steady, recurring revenue and help Apple weather economic ups and downs. With a fortress-like balance sheet, billions in cash reserves, and a long track record of rewarding shareholders through dividends and buybacks, Apple stands out as a cornerstone investment for any long-term portfolio. For investors seeking stability, growth, and innovation, Apple is a stock you can confidently buy, hold, and watch grow over time. Next, Microsoft, quietly dominating both consumer and enterprise tech. Azure, their cloud platform, is a massive growth engine, second only to AWS. Strategic acquisitions like LinkedIn and GitHub deepen their reach and open new growth avenues. Microsoft's financials are rock solid, with robust cash flow and rising dividends. In a tech-driven world, Microsoft is built to last. Alphabet, the parent company of Google and YouTube, stands as the backbone of the modern internet. Their influence stretches across the globe, shaping how billions of people access information, connect, and share content every day. While Alphabet dominates the digital advertising space, their true competitive edge lies in artificial intelligence. AI powers everything from Google search and YouTube recommendations to voice assistants and smart home devices, making everyday experiences smarter and more personalized. Beyond ads and search, Alphabet is incredibly diversified. Their ventures span cloud computing, consumer hardware, autonomous vehicles with Waymo, cutting-edge healthcare innovations, and even experimental projects like drone delivery, ensuring they're always at the forefront of technology. With massive profit margins and enormous cash reserves, Alphabet has the financial muscle to invest in groundbreaking ideas and weather any market storm, positioning themselves for long-term growth. For anyone who believes in the future of technology and innovation, Alphabet is a must-hold stock, offering stability, growth, and a front-row seat to the next wave of digital transformation. Amazon revolutionized shopping and business online. While e-commerce is huge, AWS, their cloud arm, is the real profit driver, powering companies worldwide. Amazon's relentless innovation extends into healthcare, groceries, and entertainment. They reinvest heavily for growth, sometimes sacrificing short-term profits for long-term dominance. For a company shaping the future, Amazon is essential for long-term investors. Tesla isn't just about cars, it's a tech and energy powerhouse. Their EVs lead in tech, and their energy business, solar, storage, and more, is growing fast. Tesla's rapid innovation keeps them ahead, but expect volatility. Now profitable and scaling globally, Tesla is at the heart of the clean energy revolution. For bold investors, Tesla offers huge long-term potential. Those are my top 5 stocks for long-term growth through 2026 and beyond. Always do your own research. Everyone's goals and risk tolerance are different. If you found value, like and subscribe, and share your favorite long-term picks in the comments. Building wealth takes patience and discipline. See you in the next one.